Welcome to the channel again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset a tire pressure monitor. This is an Audi Q3. It's a 2020. First things first, you come to right here to the door. You see this right here. It's saying the front tire pressure is 38, rear is 38, and then the spare tire is 60 psi. Make sure you fill up all the tires to the required psi standard. Once that is done, you just tap here once, just like that. Then once you tap once like that, we come to this second screen right here. So what we do, let's say you are at home, so you come to a vehicle right here, you just tap on that. Then next you come all the way to the end, there's the settings, you just press on settings, and then it lists this stuff right here, and then you can just scroll around it until you find a tire pressure monitor. Then you tap it once, and then once that is done, you just come right here and then you just store there's the current pressure of all 4 tires, my specific value. You say yes and store, and then it's going to tell you it's storing. The current tire pressure has been stored, so that means it has successfully reset it, so you're good to go. Alright, I hope this really helps you out, and then see you in the next video. Okay.